Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the overview look of our mobile application Upstox Pro. So on the screen, as you can see, I'm on the mobile application Upstox Pro, and this is the favorites watch list, which is the by default homepage of our application. So here you will see at the very top Sensex and Nifty, that are the spot indicators. Okay, so if you want to change Sensex, instead of Sensex, if you want Bank Nifty, you can click or tap in between them, like in between Sensex and Nifty. Once you tap, you will get this select ticker Sensex and Nifty Bank. So you can select the Nifty Bank and click on apply. So at the top you will see, instead of Sensex, it is showing the Nifty Bank. So this is how you can change the indicators. On the left top you will see a three lines button. So once you click that, you will get a sidebar, and in which you will get many of the options. So at the very top you will see your name. So it is showing my name, then your registered client code, 6-digit login ID, and then it will show you the watch list, where you can add the watch list, and inside watch list you can add the scripts. So that is nothing but the watch list. So these are the scripts which are added in the favorites watch list, and once I click on any one of those, it will show me the overview, that is nothing but a chart, and below that it will show me vital details like volume, 52-week high low, open interest, total buy quantity, open high low close, upper circuit, lower circuit, and total sell quantity. On the right side you will see market depth. So that is nothing but the top 5 buyers and sellers. If you want to check, you can come over here, and this is nothing but the market depth. In the overview, you will see buy and sell buttons at the very bottom. So once I click on sell, you will get the sell order entry, go back, and you will get the buy order entry if you click on the green button buy. So this is how you will get the order entry. Now, how to place orders, if you want to know what is simple CO, OCO, AMO, and all the product, that is intraday and delivery, all the order types. If you want to know market limit, SL limit, and SL market, we have separately made a dedicated video for the same, how to place orders into pro.upstox.com. So the similar way you will see over there also, and you can definitely check out that video for more knowledge on how to place the orders. So I will come back here, and here you will see the script details. Once you go back, it will show you the scripts which you have added. On the right top you will see the plus button, in which you can add the scripts if you want to, and I have already made a video for the same also, how to add scripts into the watch list. And on the left top you will go to the button again, which comes the sidebar. In that you will see the second option is of order history. So for days orders, you will get over here whatever is rejected, open, or is completed, it will show here all open and closed. And if you want to exit your cover order and bracket order, you can come into the order history and exit your cover bracket order, as well as you can cancel and modify the orders from here itself. So if you want to modify your stop loss as well as your OCO order stop loss and target, you can definitely come over here and modify the stop loss for cover order as well as for the OCO order. So that is nothing but the order history. In the sidebar, the next option is of portfolio. So portfolio is nothing but if you have taken some intraday positions into your account, it will show into the positions log here itself. And if you have taken any of the investments, that is nothing but a long-term investments into equity deliveries, on the right side you will get the holdings tab. Once you click on that, it will show you all the equity deliveries here. So if you want to sell those deliveries, you can sell it from here, and if you want to square off the intraday positions, you can go back to positions like I did, and you can square off your position from here itself. So if you have something bought, you can sell it from here itself in the positions, it will show you. So again we will go to the sidebar, and the next option is balance. So click on that. If you want to trade into securities, add the balance from here itself, and if you want to trade into commodities, you can click on commodities and add the funds itself. So here you will get both the options, add and withdraw. If I click on add, it will show me how much amount to add. So choose the bank account and select the payment mode, net banking, that is instant payment transfer, which will cost to 7 rupees per transaction, and UPI will be the free transaction which you can make, like if you want to transfer the funds from your bank account to your trading account. So if you want to do that for free, you can select UPI, give your VP address, and click on continue and approve the payment from your Beam application. So this is how you can do the add funds. Now add funds and withdraw funds, again I have made a dedicated video on the same in pro.upstox.com, and you will find some more details into that video, so definitely you can go check that out. So next is this withdraw button. Exactly, you can give the withdrawal amount here, and you can click on submit, and it will take the request. So there is a cutoff timing of 8:45, before morning 8:45 a.m. If you give the withdrawal request, the withdrawal will be placed, and you will get the same before 2 p.m. into the bank account. And if you give the withdrawal request after morning 8:45 a.m., then the withdrawal request will be placed on the next day, that is next working day, and the next working day definitely you will receive the amount into your bank account before 2 p.m. So that is how withdrawal goes. And again, I will let you inform that I have made some dedicated videos on that, so you can go check that out on pro.upstox.com. So these are the four things. Into more, you will see many of the options, in which the particularly helpful is the chat with us. So if you have any of the queries into upstocks or trading, you can definitely come over here and you can type all your queries. You will get a revert back here itself in Upstox chat. Even if you call us on our helpline and all our executives are busy, for example, for some reason, definitely you can use the feature of chat with us. And the last option is of settings, where you can change the password. Click on change password, give old password, new password, and retap the new password, and your password will be changed if you want to change it for security reasons. And you will get the second last option of day theme, and if you are not comfortable with the white background, you can untick or give a tick mark there, or you can switch that to night theme basically. So that is nothing but a black background. And at the last you will see language. So if you want Hindi language, you can choose that also, and it will turn to Hindi language mobile application. And the last option is of sign out. So if you want to sign out of the application, you can click on sign out and click on yes if you want to, or click on sign out if you want to come out of the application, like that. So this is how easy it is to use our mobile application Upstox Pro. Easy, convenient and handy. And that's it for this video. Have a nice day.